Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super fun, a cute camera. Are you ready to draw with me?
Yay!
Let's start.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big rectangle. This is the body of the camera. Now, draw two horizontal lines inside the rectangle. Draw a big circle in the middle. This is the lens. Draw another circle inside the lens. Now, draw two more horizontal lines on the camera body. Next, draw two heart shapes. Now, draw the flashlight and some small buttons on the top of the camera. Finally, draw a cute smiley face inside the camera lens. Wow, nice job, everyone! Our cute camera drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Bring out your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Ready? Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow, your camera looks super colorful and amazing. Great work today, little artists. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep having fun drawing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.